When you live your life to please the crowd, your life becomes an emotional roller coaster. You're up one day, you're down the next. You're always at the mercy of the opinions of the people around you. See, if you're gonna follow the crowd, you gotta find out where the crowd is going. Find something in your life that you love so much. You'll do it for free, but you do it so well, someone else will pay you to do it. And then what you gotta do, you gotta align yourself with people that fit your destiny, not your history. Young people, you go home to family situations that are broken in the home. When 70% of today's teenagers do not have their birth father in the home, that is painful. That is difficult. And you might have classmates that try to put on a good mask at school or at the social event, but I'll tell you what I hear from teenagers on the bleachers of high school assemblies that sit with me and tell me when their parents got a divorce, it felt more like their parents were divorcing them than they were divorcing one another. They feel the pain of the hurt that's in that home. I don't know what walls you're going home to. I don't know what barriers are in your life. But when you push hard enough against the obstacles in your life, the things that are coming up against you, no matter what comes up against you, if you push hard enough, you will have a breakthrough.